Hi, this video will help you to understand skeleton code structure that we have uploaded on our course web page for 5515 kit. So 5515 processor has 4 DMAs, and each DMA has 4 DMA channels. Audio codec, which is AIC 3204 IC, is connected to uh, C5515 processor via I2 S0 bus. So in this file, dma underscore setup.c source file that we are included in project given to you, we have written this function dma0 underscore dma0 underscore setup, uh, which configures DMA such that channel 2 transmits data from uh, channel 2 copies data from audio codec left channel to DMA underscore in input L buffer, which is defined here. Then channel 3 of DMA0 copies data of write received register in AIC 3204 codec to DMA input R buffer, and channel 1 copies data from DMA underscore out L buffer to DMA underscore out L buffer to left transmit of AIC codec, and so on. So as commented here in this in this file, the first half of each buffer acts as ping buffer, and second half of each of these buffers that we are defined here will act as pong buffer. So now we will quickly go through program flow. So we have included one file audio underscore setup.h. This file contains constant declarations like ping pong buffer size and FFT length. Here we have defined FFT length to be 512 points, and you will be able you can observe that ping pong buffer size is exactly twice as FFT length. Just to make sure that whenever you are changing this value from 512 to any of these 8, 16, 64, 128 and so on, you the functions that we are calling in main functions, which are this do FFT and do IFFT, which has been defined here in main.c file. Um, the FFT length value, this function name of function should be changed accordingly. Now our FFT length is 512 as we saw here, so we are calling HWFFT underscore 512 points. These functions are defined in library which is provided by Texas Instruments. Now next we will quickly go through main function. So this DMA underscore setup, which was defined in DMA underscore setup.c source file, initialize DMA as we discussed earlier. Then AIC 3204 underscore init, this function initiates initialize codec with sampling frequency of fs. Here you can change sampling frequency. Instead of 48 you can write 8, 16, 48 or 96, whatever you want. And after initialization steps, we step by step enables I square s bus, then 4 DMA0 channels. Now moving to this while buffer. again, as written in these comments, uh, this this flag these flags gives current status of DMA operation, and DMA operation, they are being modified by DMA underscore ISR. ISR means interrupt service routine, which is written again in DMA underscore setup dot C file. So it's here. So we have mentioned, we have written it here interrupt. So interrupt, this will tell compiler that this function is interrupt service routine for a particular event. And so like it always keeps on it keeps checking values of IFR0 register, and based on different flags it will change values of ping pong flag out, L ping pong flag out, uh, R values, and based on that we will do data processing and transferring in in main function. So we are always checking for these two flags here, if else whatever. Now we'll quickly go through project step setup. This time we have provided you with projects file for 5515. Now this is very crucial step. We are using 16 small memory bit, which is 16-bit addressing, which has 16-bit address. So if you go to build properties and include options, so if you go to include options of Code Compose Studio, then your include options should contain this dictionary, these directories. So the C colon program files. So this may change for your PC, but from here onwards it should be same. Texas Instruments simulation boards include, then after that include uh, direct include folder which is available directly in CCS version 4 folder, and so on. And last thing you need to add is go to compiler folder, tools, compiler 5500 series, and include that folder also. That in some functions that is required. The header files from this particular folder are required. And for file search path, again you will include these two files, which is lib.a from normal location where your Texas Instrument Code Compose Studio version 4 is installed, and this file USB STK 5515 bsl.lib. This library file we have provided with you on our web page. You have to include that file, not which is in Texas Instrument folder, because this is compiled for with different options. So if you try to include file from Texas Instrument folder, it will give error. Then final runtime option, runtime model options. So you have to change this specified type size to hold result. Sorry. So specify type size to hold results of pointer math, which is ptr diff underscore size to be 16. So by default it is 32. You have to change it to 16, and memory model should be small, and then apply, and then you will be able to build your program. That's it. Thank you.